Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make salsa taco. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 4 ripe tomatoes, 1 small white onion, a generous bunch of fresh cilantro, and 1 or 2 jalapenos for a little kick. Don't forget 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious homemade salsa that will elevate any taco night. Now, let's get our hands dirty with some preparation. Roughly chop your 4 tomatoes, 1 small onion, and 1 or 2 jalapenos. Remember, removing the seeds from the jalapenos will reduce the heat, so adjust to your preference. Finally, mince your 2 cloves of garlic. A good chop ensures all the flavors will meld beautifully when we blend them together, creating a harmonious taste. It's time to bring everything together. Transfer your roughly chopped tomatoes, onion, jalapenos, minced garlic, and fresh cilantro into a food processor. Pour in the 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice and add a pinch of salt and pepper. Pulse the mixture a few times until it reaches your desired consistency. We are aiming for a chunky salsa, not a completely smooth puree, so be careful not to overblend. Your delicious homemade salsa is almost ready. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more salt or a squeeze of extra lime juice. Transfer your vibrant salsa to a serving bowl. It's perfect for topping your favorite tacos, burritos, or even as a dip with tortilla chips. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days to enjoy later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.